Hello, world. Welcome, I am your host Mr. STAG. Today we will be taking a deep dive into Bill Ackman's public investment holdings in Q3 2021. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. William Albert Ackman, born May 11, 1966, is an American investor and hedge fund manager. He is the founder and CEO of Pershing Square Capital Management, a hedge fund management company. Ackman was raised in Chappaqua, New York, the son of Ronnie I, née Posner, and Lawrence David Ackman, the chairman of a New York real estate financing firm, Ackman-Ziff Real Estate Group. He is of Ashkenazi Jewish descent. In 1988, he received a Bachelor of Arts degree magna cum laude in social studies from Harvard College. In 1992, he received an MBA from Harvard Business School. In 1992, Ackman founded the investment firm Gotham Partners with fellow Harvard graduate David P. Berkowitz. The firm made small investments in public companies. In 1995, Ackman partnered with the insurance and real estate firm Leucadia National to bid for Rockefeller Center. Although they did not win the deal, the bid generated interest in Gotham from investors. 3 years later, Gotham had $500 million in assets under management (AUM). By 2002, Gotham had become entrenched in litigation with various external shareholders who also owned an interest in the companies in which Gotham invested. Despite an ongoing probe of his trading activities by New York state and federal authorities, in 2002 Ackman researched MBIA in order to challenge Standard & Poor's AAA rating of its bonds. He was charged fees for copying 725,000 pages of statements regarding the financial services company as part of his law firm's compliance with a subpoena. Ackman called for a division between MBIA's structured finance business and its municipal bond insurance business. He argued that MBIA was legally restricted from trading billions of dollars of credit default swap (CDs) protection that MBIA had sold against various mortgage-backed collateralized debt obligations (CDOs), and was using a second corporation, Lacrosse Financial Products, which MBIA described as an orphan transformer. Ackman bought credit default swaps against MBIA corporate debt and sold them for a large profit during the financial crisis of 2007-2008. Bill Ackman formed Pershing Square in November 2003 with $54 million raised from 3 investors. Bill Ackman is an activist investor. He buys the common stocks of public companies, and pushes for changes so that the market can realize the values of the companies. Ackman buys stocks trading at a discount, and sells when the companies reach their appraised value. Ackman's largest public position is Lowe's Companies Inc., ticker symbol LO. He currently owns 10,236,471 shares valued at $2.08 billion. Ackman owns 1.48% of the company. Lowe's Companies, Inc., is an American retail company specializing in home improvement. The company offers a line of products for construction, maintenance, repair, remodeling, and decorating. It provides home improvement products in various categories, such as appliances, decor, paint, hardware, millwork, lawn and garden, lighting, lumber and building materials, flooring, kitchens and bath, rough plumbing and electrical, seasonal and outdoor living, and tools. As of February 2021, Lowe's and its related businesses operates 2,197 home improvement and hardware stores in United States and Canada. Lowe's is the second largest hardware chain in the United States and the world. Previously, Lowe's was the largest in the US until it was surpassed by the Home Depot in 1989. Ackman's second largest public position is Chipotle Mexican Grill Inc., ticker symbol CMG. He currently owns 1,114,725 shares valued at $2.03 billion. Ackman owns 3.96% of the company. Chipotle Mexican Grill, Inc., is an American chain of fast casual restaurants in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and France, specializing in tacos and mission burritos that are made to order in front of the customer. Its name derives from Chipotle, the Nahuatl name for a smoked and dried jalapeno chili pepper. Chipotle is one of the first chains of fast casual dining establishments. Founded by Steve Ells on July 13, 1993, Chipotle had 16 restaurants, all in Colorado, when McDonald's Corporation became a major investor in 1998. By the time McDonald's fully divested itself from Chipotle in 2006, the chain had grown to over 500 locations. With more than 2,000 locations, Chipotle had a net income of $355.77 million United States dollars and a staff of more than 80,000 employees in 2020. Ackman's third largest public position is Hilton Worldwide Holdings, ticker symbol HLT. He currently owns 12,885,354 shares valued at $1.7 billion. Ackman owns 4.62% of the company. Hilton Worldwide Holdings Inc., formerly Hilton Hotels Corporation, is an American multinational hospitality company that manages and franchises a broad portfolio of hotels and resorts. The company was founded by Conrad Hilton in May 1919. Hilton is headquartered in Tysons Corner, Virginia, U.S. As of June 30, 2020, its portfolio includes 6,215 properties, including timeshare properties, with 983,465 rooms in 118 countries and territories, including 690 that are managed and 5,405 that are franchised, with the combined managed and franchised properties having a total of 953,946 rooms, in addition to 65 that are owned or leased, including 57 that are wholly owned or leased, 1 owned by a consolidated non-wholly owned entity, 2 that are leased by consolidated variable interest entities (VIEs), and 5 that are owned or leased by unconsolidated affiliates. Hilton has 18 brands across different market segments, including Conrad Hotels and Resorts, Canopy by Hilton, Curio, A Collection by Hilton, Hilton Hotels and Resorts, Doubletree by Hilton, Embassy Suites Hotels, Hilton Garden Inn, Hampton by Hilton, Homewood Suites by Hilton, Home 2 Suites by Hilton, Hilton Grand Vacations, LXR Hotels and Resorts by Hilton, Waldorf Astoria Hotels and Resorts, Signia by Hilton, True by Hilton, Tapestry Collection by Hilton, Tempo by Hilton and Motto by Hilton. Ackman's fourth largest public position is Restaurant Brands International Inc., ticker symbol QSR. He currently owns 23,937,248 shares valued at $1.46 billion. Ackman owns 7.60% of the company. Restaurant Brands International Inc. (RBI) is a Canadian-American multinational fast food holding company. Formed in 2014 by the $12.5 billion merger between American fast food restaurant chain Burger King and Canadian coffee shop and restaurant chain Tim Hortons, and expanded by the 2017 purchase of American fast food chain Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, the company is the fifth largest operator of fast food restaurants in the world behind Subway, McDonald's, Starbucks and Yum! Brands. The company is based in Toronto. For tax purposes, Burger King and Popeyes retain their existing operations and headquarters, both in Miami. The 2014 merger focused primarily on expanding the international reach of the Tim Hortons brand, and providing financial efficiencies for both companies. 3G Restaurant Brands Holdings LP, an affiliate of the Brazilian investment company 3G Capital, owns a 32% stake in Restaurant Brands International. As of December 31, 2020, the company owned or franchised a total of 4,949 Tim Horton restaurants, 18,625 Burger King restaurants, and 3,451 Popeyes restaurants in approximately 100 countries worldwide and U.S. territories. Ackman's fifth largest public position is the Howard Hughes Corp, ticker symbol HHC. He currently owns 13,620,164 shares valued at $1.20 billion. Ackman owns 24.71% of the company. The Howard Hughes Corporation was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Dallas, Texas. The Howard Hughes Corporation owns, manages, and develops commercial, residential, and hospitality operating properties in the United States. It operates through 4 segments: operating assets, master planned communities, MPCs, Seaport District, and strategic developments. As of December 31, 2020, the operating assets segment owned 15 retail, 33 office, 12 multi-family, 3 hospitality, and 13 other operating assets and investments primarily located in the Woodlands, Texas, Chicago, Illinois, Columbia, Maryland, Las Vegas, Nevada, and Honolulu, Hawaii. The MPCs segment develops and sells detached and attached single-family homes, and range from entry-level to luxury homes to residential homebuilders and developers, and sells or leases land for commercial development, including land parcels designated for retail, office, hospitality, and residential projects. The Seaport District segment is involved in the landlord operations, managed businesses, and events and sponsorships. The Strategic Development segment invests in residential condominium and commercial property projects. This segment consists of 18 development or redevelopment projects. Ackman's sixth largest public position is Dominos Pizza Inc., ticker symbol DPZ. He currently owns 2,092,202 shares valued at about $1 billion. Ackman owns 5.75% of the company. Domino's Pizza, Inc. is an American multinational pizza restaurant chain founded in 1960 by the Monahan brothers. The corporation is Delaware domiciled and headquartered at the Domino's Farms Office Park in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Domino's Pizza, Inc., through its subsidiaries, operates as a pizza company in the United States and internationally. It operates through 3 segments: U.S. stores, international franchise, and supply chain. The company offers pizzas under the Domino's brand name through company-owned and franchised stores. As of July 15, 2021, the company operated 18,000 stores in over 83 countries and 5,701 cities worldwide. Ackman buys the common stocks of public companies, and pushes for changes so that the market can realize the values of the companies. Ackman buys stocks trading at a discount, and sells when the companies reach their appraised value. This strategy made Ackman billions. Tell us what you think about Bill Ackman's portfolio in the comment section below. Mr. Stag logging off.